Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and Donald Trump just lowered the boom on the judge in his defamation case in New York after a disgusting move by that same judge. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. You know, in my opinion, the one common theme among the judges in all the Trump cases, other than Eileen Cannon, is these judges seem to have a personal contempt for former President Donald Trump. And they, in my opinion, just my opinion, are taking their contempt out on Trump. And I think it's disgusting. I think it's an abuse of the legal system. I think they should be ashamed of themselves for what they're trying to do here. And I think it's time to actually put the spotlight on these judges, and that's what Trump did. See, because what this judge did, Judge Kaplan in New York, who apparently loves fining Trump more and more money every chance he gets for something that was supposedly happened 30 years ago. And there's a lot more to this story, by the way, in what Carol has said in private that really lends a lot of, should I say, kind of smoke, you know what I mean, to her claims. It kind of does not help her claim. It hurts her claim, is what I'm trying to say. It really dampens her case because there's a lot of information out there that George Conway, the husband of Kellyanne Conway, a Trump hater, was involved in having her push the lawsuit. There's a lot of different things that are really, really, to me, almost Soviet Union-like in this case. But what Trump said after the case, or after he left the courtroom, having this man choose between going to his mother-in-law's funeral or being in court to defend himself, and not giving him an adjournment of 1 day so he can go to a funeral. How many defendants would be, not even a defendant, this is a civil case. How many people will be treated like that other than Donald Trump? It is absolutely a tragedy and a travesty. I want you to listen to what Donald Trump said, and then I want you to give me your opinions. So please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm Carmine Sabia for Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.
Well, thank you very much. So, as you know, the First Lady's mother passed away. The funeral is tomorrow, and we would have assumed that for a trial like this, it's not an emergency in terms of timing. The judge would have been very nice and would let me go because I want to be at every trial day. Because I saw what happened in the first one where I was asked not to go by the lawyers very much. They said, it's demeaning. There was no evidence. There was no anything. And so I didn't go. And I understood exactly what he meant when he said it was demeaning. There was no reason to go and you shouldn't go. And I decided on this one, same judge. He's a radical Trump hater. And I said, I will go to all days. So what happened very terribly is we asked to just delay the trial for 1 day so I could go to the funeral tomorrow, and then we could start Friday or Monday or any time they want. And he said, absolutely not. The trial will go on just as it is. You can go to the funeral or you can go to the trial, but you can't do both. I thought it was terrible. So he would rather have me miss the funeral or go to the funeral, miss the trial. And that's a nasty man. He's a nasty judge. He's a Trump-hating guy. And it's obvious to everybody in the court. It's a disgrace, frankly, what's happening. It's a disgrace. Happens to be a Clinton appointment, but I'm sure that has nothing to do with it. So that